Welcome to Fantastic Adventures! Hey guys, it's Fantastic Adventures, and as you can see, I have a blindfold on. And today we are going to be making slime. I'm going to be blindfolded, so I don't know where any of the stuff is right now. And the only thing that is changed around is usually you pick colors, like you can't see and you pick them, but I want to make mine yellow. So let's get started. So first, here's my bowl. Okay, I have to find the glue. This is my soap. Here's my paint. Okay, here's the glue. Right? This is the glue. Okay. I'm gonna open it. I hope I'm pouring it in. I think it's in. Am I pouring it out of the bowl? I don't know. Okay. So
I could be screaming at you if you were.
I think it's all emptied. Is it?
Try and use your ears.
This is the hard part. Is it emptied? Okay, I'm just gonna say it's emptied. Okay. Where did I put my spoon? Here it is. Okay, there's stuff in there. Okay. Here's my shaving foam. Is the cap on? I hope it's... I think that's enough. Where's my spoon? Is it mixed enough?
This is all you.
Okay, now I need the paint. At least there's stuff in there. Here's some.
I moved it.
I don't. Where's the paint? Here. I bet half of the things are knocked over. Is it open? How do you...
Are you going to try a little soap this time too, or no?
Yes.
When are you going to do that? Right after
I've
the
never
paint?
done it, so we have, but is it mixed up? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna guess. I bet. No, it's all mixed up. Now I'm gonna add. Oh, come on! Wait, what is this?
Don't wipe it on your shirt.
I know. Okay, here's the glue cap. Here's my soap. You're almost out. I hope I pour it in the bowl.
Yeah, you almost missed.
Oh, jeez. I can feel it on the side.
It's all over the spoon.
Why are you laughing?
It's fine.
Okay, now what do I need? I need my... it smells good. I keep touching... Okay. Where is...
Reach out further. There you go.
Oh, here it is. Come on! I can't even open this.
Because your hands are all slippery for some reason, or why?
Yeah. I think that's enough. I hope this isn't a fail. I feel like, my spoon is all slippery. Is it forming?
I don't don't know. You're gonna have to feel.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my borax. Where's my borax?
Alright, now because this is hot and it's borax, I'm gonna slide it to you.
This is so slimy.
Now be careful.
Did I add any in?
Yeah.
Oh, I just felt it. What?
Okay, stir more first, honey. Touching it
It
yet?
feels puffy. Smells like bananas.
Bananas.
No, not my. Is it?
Oops, you're spilling it over.
Am I even grabbing any?
Yeah, you spilled a lot of it on the table, though.
Is it forming?
I don't know. That's what you gotta figure out.
Okay. I have a question. Can I put this on the table yet?
I don't know.
Put it right here.
Okay, it's all over the table now, so you might want to just don't wipe towards you. Wipe away from you. There's tons on the table.
Yeah, I can feel that. I think my slime's almost done. I hope it doesn't look like a slimy mess. Oh, it's done. Wait. One sec. Let me get some borax from the table. Okay, I'm ready. I'm scared though. It actually doesn't look that bad. It looks like vanilla.
You did pretty good.
Oh my gosh.
You got kind of messy, but you did good.
That my mom was scared that I'd get food coloring everywhere. Oh my gosh, this looks so delicious. I'm gonna add some more of this so it smells good.
I don't think it's going to mix in anymore, honey, now that you put the borax in. That's probably not a good idea.
Okay. Annie did it after her borax. Like she does all of it after. Need a little more. I'm proud of myself. This is probably my favorite slime. We should get those scent smelling things to put in your slime. Oh, I just made a mess. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.